I have jaundice. No, I'm just Simpson character. Obviously, I'm Maggie Cosplay. Last time, we put together the Deku Leaf, and today, we're going to be building the Boomerang. Welcome to stream. Hi. Pretty straightforward plan for this one, same as the Deku Leaf. This one I'm gonna have double-sided, unlike the other one I just did. Like before, I'm gonna gradually cut down this paper template I have, and yeah, that's the plan. I plan to basically cut 2 pieces of this foam out, and then stick them back to back together, and then I will sand it down. I don't know if I'll Dremel it. Dremeling this will be tricky because it's too big of a shape and the curve is too broad. So I might just actually hand sand it. My whole leg is already asleep because I'm sitting cross-legged like a pretzel man, and that's no good. On my Ocarina of Time randomizer stream from a couple weeks ago, YouTube gave it auto chapters, which is great. Some of the chapters that were notable were the Overwatch chapter, the Settings chapter, the Star Fox chapter, the DaVinci Resolve chapter, and my personal favorite, Just a Little Boy, which spanned 3 hours. So the Boomerang. This is the dungeon item of the Forbidden Woods. About halfway into the dungeon, maybe even a little earlier, you will fight a mini-boss that is a winged Mothula, I think their name is. I don't remember what they actually are called. Giant sparkly wings. It also has a jet for a butt, which is cool, so it launches itself across the room. You can kill it, and it gets you the Boomerang. The Boomerang can stun enemies, pick up items, and hit switches from far away. It can lock onto 5 different targets at once. After you throw it, it'll go to each of them and return to you. The Boomerang is a very strong upgrade from Ocarina of Time's. Very powerful. The Boomerang has been a staple item in the Zelda series since actually like game 1, which is cool. Okay, is there enough room on this sheet for a second one? There is! I learned one of the better ways to get engagement is to comment on it, which is great. Please comment. Please, it's all about the views. I need the views. Without views on YouTube, my life is worthless and meaningless in all forms. That's not true. Don't ever believe that. So what I'm thinking of doing to make this this shape, because this is not a very flat boomerang. It's got like a big metal frame and then 2 metal ends, it looks like, and a gem. What I might do is try and kind of fake that shape by putting these 2 pieces together and then kind of putting a very light, thin layer over top where the metal pieces would be, and then kind of trying to merge them with blending and dremeling. Like most of these, I don't have an exact set plan as to how I'm gonna do this. I'm just kind of adapting to a picture and seeing how it goes. Yeah, that's a good size and thickness for this thing, I think. Nothing crazy. I've already got the shape I'm hoping for. Let's quickly cut out the frame here. Every video I make, I gotta make a new and unique way to speed through the dremeling, because the dremeling is really boring if I'm being honest. So every new video has to be a completely new, unique way to do it. I can't reuse anything. Do I think the Boomerang will come back? Maybe. There's only one way to find out. Glue ball. That's up there for good now. Done. I've already said what the Boomerang does. Is there anything else I need to say about it? It's yellow, I think. Yeah, it's yellow. You're in the bathroom. I'm bathroom entertainment. Snap it off. Get back to work. I don't know how to do basic shapes. I never passed grade 4. Woe is me. Let me just gouge my eye out with this thing, this knife. One of these days, I'll go too far. What happens if I need an eye patch and can only make a symmetrical? I'll wear just another eye patch, obviously. Yeah, that's already looking okay. I need to cut 2 more nubbins and then nubbins on the end, and then I'll be able to dremel a little bit, and that'll kind of be a done shape. I gotta cut out 2 more of these ovals. I almost forgot. That would have been silly. It's a good thing I don't do silly. I'm very serious. Maximum seriousness. Absolutely. Nothing but. But. I mean nothing but. Now both of my feet may be falling asleep very quickly here as we speak, but that's not gonna stop me from being serious. Maybe I'd say another hour of work left, including dremeling, hopefully? We'll see. Yeah, what's left? I gotta make the gem in the middle, and end nubbins. I'm glad that nubbins is just like a word I use like all the time now. Still gonna make 2 more. I keep forgetting that I'm double-siding this. Boomerang. All right, let's get some Dremel stuff ready. Where'd that piece of paper go? It disappeared. Time to rob your train. See you in a bit. And we're back. What would really help me is having a belt sander that I could like edge this down on, but I cannot. No edging? It can't be. Get him, officer. You're at Shadow Temple right now? Like in real life? Where is it? I want to come visit it and get tortured. I want to go meet Dead Hand in person, get his autograph. Just throw it at the camera. That was so close to hitting the lens. Like, if not for the shape, that would have hit the lens and probably broken something. That's looking pretty boomerangy to me. I'm going to call that an item. Close my windows. Just gotta chuck it. Just gotta chuck it like this. Whoop! It came back to me again. Can you believe it? Actually, like no cuts between throwing it and getting it back. Well, that's gone for good now. Okay, that's gonna be it for stream. Hello! We're gonna be painting the boomerang. It's not like lime green, but it's a greener yellow than you'd think. That might have been way too much. We'll see. That is like an unripened banana. Definitely too good. This is like heavily lime now. It should be easy to carry this thing because I got the little nubbins on the side that I'll paint last. We'll look like a Simpson by the end of the stream. I'm not denying that might happen. You'll need to be a tad lighter. Shut up! I've got so much yellow paint on me already. Yeah, this will work as a solid starting coat. I don't think I'm going to, gloss this a ton. Game theory, is Mario an atheist? No, there's pictures of him praying. He says, Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia. The mama being referenced to the Saint Mother Mary. Stop with that face. This is the only face I have, Ryan. Unless you want me to do this. Lots of blood, maybe? No, you have no idea what's cooking in here. And neither do I. No thoughts. Only Boomerang. What if I just chuck this behind me one day with no concern for what would happen to my set? I might. Just saw 57 years into the future with YouTube at 2 times speed. Made many projects, the world has been twice as heavy, exploded, everyone died. I compressed the world with EVA foam props! Yes! That's the goal. Implode the earth with the weight of my projects and not the weight of my body like it's currently doing. Yeah. More painting it, the crazier the stream gets. Uh-oh. We're in for a crazy time then, aren't we? I should have actually like put some silver paint on my mouth for that, but I didn't. I don't have the guts for it. Literally. Oh, I got yellow paint on this nubbin. Get off there, you. This is kind of working. One of these moments here, I'm gonna get my stream taken down because this just looks like just slightly too phallic and it's like dangling in front of my face. It's no good. I hope you know that. I'm also throwing up water in my mouth, but like in a cool way. I get to drink it again. It's a second refreshing treat. I'm so sorry I said that out loud. That's disgusting. It looks like it's just white under this lighting. If I bring it up forward here, yeah, that looks better. What number should I paint on my forehead? I need to know. 7. That's a good 7. Good job, Ryland. Although I could put the other ones now too. 420. Those sure are numbers. 1. Oh, I want them gone. Wonderful. This is what I wanted to do, I think. Do my beard too. Silver soul patch. I am normal. I gotta finish coloring the silver on it a bit, and I think do a lighter yellow. That's looking solid already. These are good like base colors. Now I just gotta do all the detail work. I'm like a makeup YouTuber, except better. Why is this still wet? How are you still wet? How? I let you sit there for like 20 minutes. Okay, I think the silver is on there well enough I can actually start baking in some lighting. It's subtle, but it's there. There's like a small black outline on some of the things to actually have them face outwards. And then I can take a lighter brush and also do this on some other details as well to like permanently bake in the bright reflection on it. It's coming along, it's coming along. The lighting tricks are very subtle, but they're working. And guess what? What? I wanna know. I wanna know. Let me know, please. 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 I don't know how I made that noise. I don't want to make that noise ever again. I keep getting silver paint in places I'm not trying to, like my mouth. I'm liking how it's looking a lot. I think it's looking sick. It's really hard to tell on that camera. Up close, you can kind of see a lot more of the, like baked in detail, but it actually is coming along nicely. I don't know if I said this on stream, and this is gonna sound completely blasphemous, but I don't actually like Dr. Pepper all that much. I know it's funny because I have this shirt and everything. I just wore this once and it stuck around. If you all want to unsubscribe and report the video now for child trafficking, you can. I'd ask that you don't, please. Also, I do laundry, so it's not the only time I wear this shirt. This probably won't make a big splashy mess. Then drink it? Ha! Only if I want to die. Relatable, huh? Everyone wants to die and no one likes their lives. Except for me. I love what I do. That is barely noticeable as a change. Maybe it'll look better when it's dried. Whatever brush this is, it sucks. It's like shedding as I paint. That's all the lighting baked in now that I wanted to bake in. Oh, at an odd angle, that looks weird. From head on, that actually looks pretty cool. Okay, parts of it are still wet, so I gotta be careful, but I think that's a finished thing. Just missed a spot here that I need to patch over. Okay, that is our boomerang looking just about finished. This thing looks great. I think baking in a lot of the lighting really did give it a lot of life. I love how the shading looks on this thing. I'll be skipping bombs since they're just a sphere, so next we're gonna be working on the hero's bow. Okay, I'm out of here. Sweet. Okay, thank you guys all for being here. This was a great time. You guys all have a fantastic night. See ya!